TechnoGIMP Module 8. Make me a photo collage. Overview. Situation. Your classmate asked for your help to make a photo collage as a souvenir. You decided to teach her how to create it using XGimp. Learning goals. By the end of this module, you should be able to: Number 1. Create a photo collage. Number 2. Use the fill tool. Number 3. Use the text tool. Number 4. Use the import image tool. Materials needed. For this module, you will need the following: mobile device, XGimp image editor app, downloadable images. Learn. Key terms. Collage. A form of artwork made by assembling different pieces to create a new, finished work of art. Film strip. A strip of film composed of different images projected separately as slides. Import image tool. The insert image tool is used to insert an image in the canvas. To use this tool, go to the Tools menu and select Import Image. Let's practice. Instructions. Number 1. Open the XGimp image editor app. Then tap New. Number 2. The canvas will now appear with the default dimensions. Number 3. To change the color of the canvas, go to the Tools menu and select Fill. Number 4. Tap the color chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your canvas, then tap Done. In this example, the color white was selected. Tap the canvas to apply the selected color. Number 5. To insert text in the canvas, go to the Tools menu and select Text. Number 6. Type the text that you want to put in the canvas. In this example, my photo collage was typed in the title case. Change its font family, font size, and font style under Format options. Then, tap Done. Number 7. Tap the color chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your text, then tap Done. In this example, the color magenta was selected. Number 8. Drag the text and move it to the top part of the canvas. Tap the text when done. Number 9. To add an image in the canvas, go to the Tools menu and select Import Image. Number 10. Select the image you want to add to your collage. In this example, the film strip image was selected. Number 11. To rotate an image, drag the rotate handles of the image. Number 12. Double tap the image to create a duplicate. Then, drag the duplicate image below the original image. Tap the image when done. Number 13. Now, add pictures to the film strip. To do this, go to the Tools menu and select Import Image. Select the image you want to insert. Drag the image inside the film strip box. Then, tap the image when done. Number 14. Repeat the steps to add more images. You can also rotate the image. To do this, drag the rotate handles of the image. Tap the image when done. Number 15. To save the image, tap the Options menu, Save Image.